Hello everyone and welcome. And today I'm extremely excited to be reviewing a prop firm known as Alpha Capital Group. The reason I'm so excited today is because they've just released DX Trade for US clients to allow them back into the game. And this is giving US traders a great opportunity at a really solid prop firm. And in this video, I'm going to be breaking down some of the rules and why I believe this prop firm is one of the best opportunities for US traders on the current prop firm market. All right, so taking a look at their website, we have an extremely clean look, but let's actually scroll down to the challenge costs and fees. So using the 100K account here, let's look at some rules and pricing for this account. So generally speaking, what you're looking for when you're looking for a good prop firm challenge is a virtual profit target in phase one of about 8%. Some firms have 10, 9, and for a two-phase account, you generally want to look for a virtual profit target of 8 with a max drawdown of 10. This is giving you a good ratio to pass, and you have better odds than other firms in the space. So already off to a great start, and they also have a performance fee of 80% in the funded stage. So hopping over to another tab here, let's take a look at their dashboard. Currently, we're looking at an older account of mine. I used to be funded with this specific firm in the past, and I just want to show you guys what your dashboard is going to be looking like when you first sign up. Once again, a very clean look. Now let's take a look at their order page, and as you can see, DX Trade has been added in this bottom area here, which is going to allow US traders to actually go ahead and purchase this account. Now I'm using the 100K Alpha Pro as an example, so let's take a look at pricing down here. Now coming in at $497, if we apply the code USA back, we're going to be able to save 30% off our order. Great place to look for discounts with this specific firm is their Discord or emailing list. Generally speaking, what I've noticed in my kind of observation of this group in the last 6 months is they generally will have a discount ranging from 10, 15 to all the way to 20 to 25%. If you want to use my link, I will leave that in the description below. And if you click on that link and use code TRADERJ, that'll save you 10% off your order as well if you can't find an existing discount code. So you'll be able to save a little bit of money there. Once again, hopping into a different setting or a different type of dashboard here, looking at an older account I had in my phase one. I think this was many months ago, but what's interesting and what I want to show you guys here is actually the trading journal. So as you can see, here are some of the trades I took. Some winners, some losers. I believe I did pass this account, so it ended up working out in the end. However, what I do want to show you guys that's actually really cool about this is that if we go over to create journal here, you're able to do an in-house journal system similar to that you may find with other third-party softwares. So not only could this save you potentially some money, but you're getting access to this trading journal tool in the non-funded stages. So just by purchasing an account, you're able to use the entirety of their journaling system, and I think that's a really great added feature for serious traders. Before we continue on to why I think Alpha Capital Group is one of the best firms in just currently the space now and for US traders, I want to show you guys a few rules that you should be aware of before buying an account. These aren't big deals at all. And in fact, I think that in this case of a max lot size limit, these are very generous, and these are actually only applied to the trader during the funded account stage. So for a trader who is in the assessment stage, you can disregard this, but if you were to get funded, you would have to adhere to their max lot size limits, which are listed below. And once again, if you have any more questions or concerns for yourself, I'd recommend visiting their website and going over to their support or frequently asked questions page so you can read all the rules for yourself. Generally speaking though, they have the same rules as most other prop firms, and I'm just highlighting some of the rules that I believe are important to know. So next rule, guys, is a news trading rule. Now this has become a lot more common in the prop firm industry, and we're seeing traders not being able to take trades before or after news, usually with about a 2-minute window. In this case though, you can trade news, at least according to this website, which is theirs, between stages 1 and 2 freely. So there's no problem there. This rule is mainly to target gambling on the funded account stages. So basically, in layman's terms, don't open or close a trade 2 minutes before or after a news release, let's say CPI, for example. They also have all the affected instruments and macroeconomic announcements down below to show you what you can and can't trade during what news releases. So before buying an account, if you're planning on taking a trade, I would always recommend checking a website like Forex Factory, checking the economic calendar and seeing what's going on, and just kind of check, cross-reference what's on this list with the upcoming news and events you see if you were to get to a funded stage, so that you can protect yourself and your account. Alright guys, to wrap up the video, I just wanted to also include the fact that Alpha Capital Group is extremely special in terms of the prop firm world when it comes to their sustainability and future trading operations, because they operate with their own in-house technology, their own broker, ACG Markets. Now, it does say it is a third-party FSA regulated broker, but that just means that it's a third party in relations to their specific company. So in reality, this company is essentially controlled by them. This brokerage is controlled by them, meaning that their in-house technology is super solid and you don't have to worry about broker shutdowns, such as things that have impacted the prop firm industry in the past couple months here. So that's an extra added benefit for the trader, and it allows the trader to have a safety mindset and peace of mind when it comes to thinking about, all right, is this firm going to be something I can be trading with down the road, down the line? And ultimately, this firm is going to be able to provide that in the near future, as long as the U.S. doesn't have any major regulations. If that happens, then that firm might not be able to control what happens in terms of offering services to U.S. clients. So just be aware that, once again, all prop firms offer a degree of risk, and there is uncertainty whether or not there will be major regulations in the future. However, I would put my trust in ACG as it currently stands because of the fact that they have their own broker and it is their own technology as well. My final point, as I stated before earlier in the video, ACG is a solid prop firm, not only in what they offer on their website, their pricing, and their rules to pass a challenge, but their community. Their community is truly something different than I've seen other prop firms in the space. They have a dedicated support team that's always willing to help. But actually what I find very telling and very important about a prop firm is either their CEO or their public figure that kind of spearheads the Discord and is always interacting with the community via announcements. And in this case, Alexander from Alpha Capital Group is a extremely nice individual and extremely good public figure because he's jovial, he seems to be experienced in the space, and he's always providing good insights and discounts to his traders. I've also seen them deal with problems in the past very swiftly and efficiently, such as perhaps someone lost their account due to a system error, or for example, maybe a lot of accounts were flagged because of a certain system was acting up incorrectly. They're always quick to remedy these problems, and I just think that in terms of what I've seen, there's been a lot of happiness in the community. They pay out quickly and fairly, it seems, as well, from what I've noticed. And for reference, I have been watching this firm through their Discord and emailing lists for the past 6 or 7 months now. And like I said before, I was also funded with them previously. So they are a really solid company, and I will be buying another challenge in the coming weeks here. So guys, if you enjoyed the video, please leave a like, please leave a comment if you have any questions regarding ACG, and I'll see if I can answer them for you. As always guys, it's been Trader Jay, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.